Good afternoon. Once again, this is the EAROPH Philippines walk tour. We are at the new Clark development, and we are inside the athletic area, athletic stadium. EAROPH Philippines delegation came from Quezon City, and at the moment we are walking inside this new stadium, and I want to show you around. Okay, so here I'll give you a 360 degrees view. There you go. This is the 360 degrees view of this stadium. Okay, so with me here, of course, the EAROPH Philippines delegation.